Hey, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the bleach agent in the Flush and Sparkle from Fluidmaster. So you could reuse these guys and you don't have to buy a completely whole new refillable ones of these. Anyways, I'm just going to show you exactly how long it's going to take me. This is actually a new one right here that I've never opened. This is one that I've opened. So over here you see some of the markings. This cap is actually pretty tight on to this thing. So actually it might take you a little bit. That's why I have two sets of screws. This is just a tool that I had from before and that I found. It's really hard to open this thing right here. Try to pull on that, that doesn't pull much because this thing's actually really tight. So we're gonna start doing this. Take my small one, start going in there, trying to pry this thing open. And it takes a little bit of effort and a little bit of elbow grease to just really get this thing in there and try to get it open, right? There you go. Got that pop off. Just pushing it because this actually is pretty tight out in there. Now that I got that, I'm just gonna use the bigger one. So I'm gonna start trying to push it. Push. Oops, there it is. There it goes. It popped out right there. And inside, what happens, you'll see this little foam thing inside, which we want to take out right there. That foam thing we probably don't need anymore. This will help us put more Clorox in there. I have two of these because most of these things, they come off at the, or they empty at the same time. So I'm going to just get one of these bleach tablets, which I have. Or I could use different types. But this is one of those bleach tabs that I have. It's cheaper. It's much cheaper than buying a whole new one. Cut that open. Using gloves just because this is bleach. I just want to keep my hands clean. So all we need is about that, right? So what we do is we just use our screwdriver. We kind of just trying to break this apart. Chip at it away. So basically, you just try to chip at this, chip it away so you can. Come on. There you go. Chip that away. One foot on the back, but I'll grab that in a little bit later. So this doesn't still fit in there yet. Let's kind of break this apart into pieces. There you go. There you go. Almost in. Just trying to get that to fit inside. Get a few more. There you go. Take those pieces and just pop them in. Basically, that's all you have to do with these. Just pop all of it in. However much you can just keep in there. And it's fine. And then after that's done, you got that full. Just take the other cap and just, I mean, shit, I could probably get a little more. I could probably get that piece in too. Yep, I could probably get that piece in too. There you go. Let's really fill this thing up. So that will be in there. There you go, got all that in right there. And I'm just gonna cap this back up. That's one of my two. So that's in and that's ready to go back in. Then now I need to get this in. So take this. You need to go right there and just chop it in there. There you go. See how that fits. Oh, not quite. I probably need to take this in half. So take it right here. Cut it in half. One fits. Get this piece fits. I basically just have to stuff this in. And that's all I have to do. So just fit as much in. I probably want to get the largest piece in. There we go. Oh, that one might not fit in. Try this piece. There you go. Stuff that in. And then put this cap back in. See. Probably need trying to get this piece in just a little bit. I'll get as close as possible. So basically within a few minutes, you guys could just open this up and get everything in. Just pushing that down on my table so I could just get it to fit nice. There you go. Almost. Come on, there you go. That's close enough. All right, got that back in. Push that back in. There you go. Just fits right in. So these are my two right here. And then everything else, I'm just going to put in a little bag, save it for next time. I'll put it back in the bag, save it for next time. All right, that's it. That's all I had to do. That wasn't that hard. And this will save you a bunch of money. All right, if you like this video, subscribe.